Didn't it rain? Oh Lord. Oh, didn't it rain, boys? Oh, didn't it rain? A long time ago it rained. Oh Lord. The wind did blow, the ark did rock, and Noah couldn't find nowhere to dock. He called all the birds from out of the earth. The water started coming from everywhere. Oh, didn't it rain? Oh, didn't it rain? I'm telling you it rained. Oh, Lord. Then God spoke to Noah. He whispered kind of low. He showed old Noah where he wanted him to go. He said, look here, Noah, the rain done stopped. I want you to land up on the mountain top. He showed old Noah the rainbow sign. He said it won't be water, but fire next time. He placed his hands from heaven on high. He knocked that sun and the moon from the sky. He stepped on the land and stood on the shore. Said, I declare the time won't be no more. Or did it rain?